In this video, I want to do a follow-up to some questions that I got concerning using OBS and Zoom together. So let's go. Hey folks, AJ the CEO here. If this is your first time stopping by the channel, thanks for stopping by. And on this channel we focus on tips, training, strategies, reviews, and builds to help modernize your media ministry. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So I had a couple of questions, and obviously I want to apologize because it seems like I overlooked one of these main questions, and a lot of people wanted to know, how are you going to be capturing audio from your conference, from the Zoom conference, into OBS? And I had some other people ask some other questions kind of related to this. So even though this is a follow-up, this actually will help if you wanted to capture sound from different sources outside of your capture device with your computer. So make sure you stay to the end, because most likely I might have answered this question for you. So let's go ahead and cut over to the computer. Now let's go over to Zoom real quick and let's look at our settings. If we come in here and look at audio, we are going to, our output, like right now my webcam is picking up what we're doing, but the audio, the webcam mic is picking up my voice, but the output of what you would hear of me talking, anybody on the call talking, is going to come from our speakers or the Realtek high definition. Is the sound that's built into the computer, the motherboard. So that's where our sound is coming out. That's why this is important. So all of our sound is coming out of the Realtek speakers, which is the default sound for our computer. If we go into settings, into audio, our desktop audio is, mine is default anyway, but it means the same thing for me. You can set it to speakers, which is also my default, and we can show that by going into our sound system inside of Windows and see it's the exact same thing. So our default is the speakers, so we can set it to default, which it is right now, or we can specifically say I want to use speakers, either one. Now, because everything that's going to happen in Zoom is going to be outputting to our speakers, we are capturing in OBS our speakers as well. That is what this desktop audio is. If you're not catching anything, so like for example, I have some music here that I wrote in 2004 that I own the rights to. It's registered to me in the Library of Congress. So if I come in here and play this music, and I have it muted right now, you can see the desktop audio is capturing it. And I'll put this side by side so just so y'all can see exactly that it's the same. So if I stop this, the audio stops. All right. Now if I unmute myself and I start talking, you're not going to capture that because it's going that way. I don't have it being outputted to the speakers. If I turned on the sound to say I want to hear while I'm talking, it will be registered from desktop audio. Again, desktop audio is capturing anything that will be coming out of your speakers. That includes Zoom, that includes if you want to play videos that have audio built into it, or like me, if I'm playing music that's coming out of my speakers, that would be captured in OBS if it is coming from your desktop audio. So that is how your Zoom conference would be captured. Now it doesn't even matter even if I had headphones on. So like if I plug my headphones in wherever they are. Alright, so I got my headphones right here. If I plug these in right now, and everything is getting switched over to my headphones here. Now I'm going to do my little sound test here to make sure my headphone sound is coming through, and it's not. Let me set it again. Oh, I have my sound muted. All right, let's try it again. Now you can even see, even with my headphones, even though they're headphones, the sound is still coming out the same thing. And even when I'm doing the sound test of where it does left and right speakers, you can see left channel, right channel. So it's still capturing it. So even no matter what, as long as you have your desktop audio as enabled under settings and audio, to say that our desktop audio, again, mine is set at default, but even if I came in here and physically pointed it to my speakers, it would still do the exact same thing. So again, if I play this, left channel, right channel, you see the bars going off. So now if I continue to play the song, the tracks are still being captured. So if I was recording anything in OBS right now, it would capture the sound from the desktop. That's how easy it is to capture that. I know that sounded complicated. Hopefully that didn't sound complicated, but all we're doing is saying inside of settings, make sure our audio for desktop audio is pointing to what is going to be outputting your sound. If it's your computer natively, whether it be speakers plugged in or headphones like mine, it would be your speakers or whatever. So please don't look for the exact name. They're different for each computer. This is just mine. So that sound is set. Now inside of Zoom, I also have my audio output going to the speakers as well. So when somebody's talking in Zoom, the audio is going to come out of the speakers, and that's the same thing that in OBS is said to collect audio. So I hope that made sense. I really hope it did. It sounds really complicated, but it really isn't. It just means that in OBS, anything that's going to come out of your speakers, we want OBS to record that audio too. That's all that means. So I hope that was as clear as dirt. And because I know I had a lot of people asking me about how to collect your audio, whether it be on a Zoom call or playing videos from your computer, whatever. That's a way that it can capture all audio on your desktop or your computer. Now be careful, this is for Windows or Mac. It does the exact same thing, but be careful when you do that because it collects all sounds. So if you have the sounds of when you turn your computer on and off and it does that ring at the beginning, if it does any form of sound in any way, shape, or form, OBS is going to record that. So that's why you need to be careful when you do that. So hopefully that made sense. Please let me know if you need some more explanation about that. If you like this type of content, I appreciate a like, consider subscribing, and hit that bell. That way you get notified when we come out with other videos to help modernize your media ministry. This is AJ. We'll see you on the next video later.